In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date picker in Google Sheets. If you're looking to streamline the process of entering dates into your spreadsheets, then a date picker is a tool you'll definitely want to get acquainted with. It simplifies data entry by providing a calendar interface, thus minimizing errors and ensuring accuracy. Now let's walk through the process together. The first thing you need to do is open up Google Sheets. You can do this by navigating to Google Drive in your web browser and selecting the Google Sheets icon, or by going directly to the Google Sheets website. Once you're there, either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one, depending on your needs. Now that you have your spreadsheet open, it's time to select the cell where you want the date picker to be available. Click on the cell to highlight it. This tells Google Sheets that this is the area where the specific data validation rule, our date picker, will be applied. Next, look towards the top of your screen and find the Data menu in the toolbar. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. The options presented under the Data tab are extremely helpful for managing and organizing the data within your spreadsheet and are the gateway to setting up a date picker. From the drop-down menu, select Data Validation. This action will open the Data Validation window, which houses all the rules and settings you can apply to your selected cell. This feature is not only useful for date pickers, but for a variety of data management needs, such as creating lists or ensuring that only numbers are entered into a cell. Once the Data Validation window opens, look for the option labeled Add Rule. Click on this to start creating a new rule for your selected cell. This step will initiate the process of setting specific criteria for the data that you want to allow in this cell, including implementing our date picker. When the Add Rule section appears, look for the drop-down menu option. Select this, as it will lead you to the next crucial step in setting up your date picker. After selecting drop-down, you'll need to choose Is Valid Date. This will ensure that the only entries allowed in the cell are valid dates, thus enabling the date picker functionality. By selecting this option, you make sure that the cell will recognize and appropriately format any dates inputted. Finally, go ahead and click Done to save your settings. With this final step, your date picker is activated for the chosen cell. Anytime you click on this cell, a calendar will pop up, allowing you to pick a date with just a few clicks. This not only saves time, but greatly reduces the chance of inputting an incorrect date. And there you have it, a convenient and straightforward way to add a date picker to your Google Sheets. This feature can make your spreadsheet more interactive and your data entry more efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and happy spreadsheeting.